Hi, I'm Kim McCully. My company is Resolve Web Studio, and I have been taking a course put together by Jena, her Brave Speakers program, and I have gotten so much out of it. I want to get out and be more visible and be speaking, but I just didn't know how to connect the pieces. I have something to tell people, and I have a story, but I was just having a roadblock about how to connect things and get my message out there. Her program has helped me put the pieces together, helped me see the flow in my story and what I can tell people, and she gives us so much information about how to go out and get a speaking engagement. She's got worksheets, she tells us how to track it, and there's just so many details in everything that comes with the Brave Speakers program that it's so much more than just coming up with my speaking presentation. There's details, there's how to get it, there's how to follow up, it's just so much value added to this program that it's been very worthwhile for me, and I look forward to finishing it up and getting out there and doing more speaking gigs. So thank you, Jena, for all you put together. It's a great program, and I've really enjoyed going through it, and it's something that I'll have to refer back to as well. So I appreciate that.